DDAmanda is the #1 stock screener and scanner. This is how we're finding these winners early, guys. Simple to use by total beginners. Got advanced features for professional traders. Great support, 1 hour free one-on-one training, and check out these testimonials. I mean, they're off the hook. Guys love this program, and they're making a ton of money.
Ran over a sprinkler line. It was a little bit too close to the surface and it broke right there. So first you dig it out. Not too much. You need about 5-6 feet. This is how you dig. You know, going in. And going the other way, you dig this way. I tried to teach my buddy how to do this and kept going like this and shit. Get down there, go even with it. Just keep going, you know. Screws come out of the bottom. I already cut it, but I wanted to show you guys the way to dig. You know. Of course, if you're in clay or something, it might be different. I don't know. And I found a nice brown spot. This is flat, but this is brown. I cut it there, and I'm going to cut it there. The way you cut this is you get it tight. Okay, get it tight, and then really, you get it tight, you know, and then you go like this to get it started, you know. You can't just clamp down. Get it started and then go for it, you know. I've got dirt in here. There we go. Then what you do is you get your famous glue. I like Christie's Red Hot Blue. Right there it says, okay, in wet conditions. I think it says that. Oh, wet conditions okay. And when you close this, use a pair of channel locks or something to get it closed tight, because otherwise it's going to evaporate. But I've already loosened this, and then you get yourself a coupling. Give this some right here. Now usually when you do sprinkler systems, that's all you need. But since this is a repair, I'm going to give it a little bit on this side, push it on and turn it a little bit. And let's get another one. Because you don't care if a sprinkler system leaks, and this is a sprinkler line. I mean, that's what a sprinkler line is. It's a controlled leak. Push it on and turn it a little bit. Leave this one in for good luck. Because, you know, these guys are all friends and shit, so you don't want to ruin a good friendship. Then you get a piece, and let's glue this side first. Okay, put that glued. And now you know how long you need to be, right there. So I just put my thumb there. I get my cutters. I cut part of my thumb off. Because blood, you know, blood. See how I'm doing that to get it started? And then you can crank down. And there you go. So now, a little bit of glue there. A little bit on the inside of the pipe. Lift it up, put it together, and there you go. And then you hold it, or put Mr. Rock. Look at that, that's a nice rock. Put Mr. Rock on top of it. Fill in a little bit of dirt. Keep it down, and you're good to go. I like to. It sets up real fast. I like to stand on it when I'm burying it. And you can just use your trencher like this, you know, scooch dirt in there. And there we go. I'm going to cover that up. Not sure if I want Mr. Rock on top of there because he will apply force, so I think what I'm going to do is just pile some dirt up on top of this to mark it somehow. In fact, I think I'm going to leave that exposed right there so I'll remember where it is. And put some dirt on top of here so it's buried deeper. Anyway, that's sprinkler repair.
Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And this is, it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. Having good support on a program is just so critical, I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.